Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to Practical Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。哎呀，糟糕了，我忘了东西了，我忘了带钱了，我要跟你借钱咯。
No， 没有。
I just said that. Oh no, I forgot to bring my money out. And Alice, can you lend me some money? She said no right away. 她知道我在骗人的，但是我们今天就是要教这样子的状况。Okay, it's all about oh no. How do you say that?
快嘞
and also
慘嘞。
慘嘞。Those are two ways of saying oh gosh. 完了 Oh no. Okay, you forgot something. 忘了到底怎么说呢？
唔記得。
唔記得就是不记得了。
对，就忘了。
Okay, that means I forgot.
那海陆腔忘了，唔記得。
唔記得 Okay, that's a different dialect of saying I forgot. Alright. 那有时候像我刚刚那样子的状况，有时候真的现金忘了带了，
有卡片啊，
那至少还有卡片了哈。现在还是很多人都会随身携带卡片，刷卡。So to use your credit card, okay, 刷卡 How do you say that?
用卡。
用卡就用卡就对了。OK， 把它拿出来用就对了。
对啊，
这你最会了。
怎么是你吧？你都会忘记带钱。
Alice knows how to use that card well. All right， 用卡。
用卡。
用卡。OK, that means 刷卡。那万一连卡都没有怎么办？可是你在 shopping 的时候就看到一个很喜欢的东西，
叫他要保留，下次来。
看对，看看店员能不能帮你保留。Okay, let's say you don't have cash, you don't have your card, but you saw something you really want to buy. Maybe you can ask the store clerk to save it for you. Okay, 保留起来。
保留。
保留。Okay, that's to reserve it. 保留。All right, let's make a sentence out of one of these phrases. And a lot of times when we go shop or dine, we ask, do you take credit card? 你们可以刷卡吗？
唔对，做得用卡嘛。
唔对，就是你们可以做得
就是可以
用卡吗？用卡吗 ？Okay, can you guys take credit card? 那我们合起来怎么讲呢？
唔对，做得用卡嘛。
唔对，做得用卡吗 ？Okay, good. Now let's remember all these terms. 忘了，我们要记得忘了。Okay, 忘了怎么说？
唔记得。
唔记得。And then taking credit card, using your credit card, 刷卡。
用卡。
用卡 and to reserve something, 保留。
保留。
保留 and it's all about oh no, I'm in a bad situation. 糟糕了。快嘞 or 慘嘞 It all means oh crap, oh no. And that does for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼太講？
按字say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.